Hey everyone, as I promised, I actually am doing the Squishies video right now. I don't know why I'm doing this. I actually feel kind of random right now, so I'm just gonna do it for fun, but who cares? And yeah, be sure to check out my other video. Yeah. So first squishy is super squishy panda jumbo panda bun, whatever. I'm just going to go through this super quickly because I don't want this to be another long video. Okay? Okay, so that was a quick review, not review, but like a quick show of my squishies. I do not have a lot, so guys, seriously, I don't need any comments saying that you do not have a lot, because I actually gave away 5 squishies already to my friends. I'm doing another 5 squishies for the giveaway. So basically, I gave away 10 squishies already, and I gave 5 to my mom already, and I gave 3 to my sister. So basically, I did lose a lot of squishies from my first package, because my first package, I actually did get a lot. Okay, so I made a Storenvy, so be sure to check that out. But the only thing I have on there is this melon bun, so I don't know if you guys want it. I'm selling it for $4 because it was brand new, and I basically never really used it. And as you guys should have known, I just got it like 2-3 weeks ago, and I only took it out of the packaging once, and this is my first time taking it out of the packaging. I just want to show you guys there is no defects on this thing. There might be like a small defect on the back, but there is a ton of air bubbles, so that just came like that. And I do have a ball chain. You guys can request for one or choose not to have one. And this is pretty hard. This is pretty, I don't know, soft, I guess, but it's not really squishy. And it smells really good, and I really like this one. I actually like this one better than this one. Just look at that. This is the plain one. This is, you can clearly see the difference. This actually looks better than this one, you see? And it actually looks better. Yeah. It looks more realistic, I guess. And this will probably be my third favorite, but I'm actually selling this. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram. I will follow my Instagram account to get more extra entries. So you guys will actually get 2 extra entries if you follow me on Instagram and comment on the video. Comment on any of my posts saying that like what user are you on to YouTube, but you already have to be entered in my giveaway. And then if you want 2 extra entries, you have to go on my account. I typed like your YouTube account and saying that you entered, and then I will actually add 2 extra entries for you. And be sure, if you guys send packages, you guys will earn 9 extra entries, and I need to at least receive like 1 or 2 packages, or else I can't really go on with the giveaway, stuff like that. I don't know. I don't know. I just want to see how it is. But yeah. And I think that's basically all I wanted to say to you guys. And yeah, if you guys want to trade with me, go on my Instagram account and yeah, follow it, and you guys will earn 2 extra entries. Okay. Bye guys. I really like this I don't know what I'm saying. I really hope you guys like this video, and be sure to thumbs up and subscribe. So yeah, basically I have to say goodbye for the 3rd time of the day. So yeah, bye.